Let's talk about the competition. Now, if I had $1 for every time I was compared to another coach or credit repair professional, I think I would be close to being almost one of the richest people in the world. That's how I truly feel about that, right? So as a matter of fact, did you know that one of the most common objections or limiting beliefs that I hear is, I can't grow a business like this because the industry is too saturated. Or big companies are entering the market. I can't be successful too. Or, this person over there is really successful and has a loyal following. Why would customers come to me instead of them? I know I'm sounding a little bit annoying, but that's how it sounds to me, right? So have these thoughts ever crossed your mind? And if I'm being 100% honest, I can't front. These same exact thoughts used to live rent-free in my head. I saw companies and people making moves in what I believed is my field, and it made me doubt that I could also win, right? Until I realized why this thinking is all wrong. Now, if you're interested, take a seat. Welcome to my TED Talk. It's titled, Why You Shouldn't Fear Starting a Business That Already Exists. In the subtitle, Competition Doesn't Really Matter. Number one, there are a few new ideas under the sun. Many ideas aren't new. They are improved upon. Microsoft computers existed before Apple, and we know which brand has the insanely loyal fan base today. Skype was around way before Zoom, but Zoom swooped in and up-leveled the video game, leaving Skype in the dust, right? Stationary bikes existed way before Peloton, but I think you get my point. So technically, if you put your sauce on an existing business model, you can carve out your own lane and still easily reach your goals. Number two, when there's competition, there's proof of concept. Having competition and successful businesses in the industry means there's money to be made. Clearly, people are interested in the service. It's more of a concern if similar businesses are not around, right? That could mean the businesses you have failed or there's simply no demand for what you have to offer. And let's be real. You're not Tesla. You're not Amazon. You're not Disney. And what do I mean by that? This doesn't mean you can't reach their level of success and impact, right? Because I believe you can. But this means you do not have millions and billions that you can dedicate to research and development and testing to carve out a new lane. You and I, aka we, are regular, normal people. We're not multinational corporations with endless money to figure this out. We want to go where there's proven winners because, as I said before, people are interested in the service and maybe that service is missing your unique approach. Number three of this TED Talk, and finally, this is a very, very short TED Talk. There are millions of people in the United States of America. Worrying that you'll get no customers because of competitors is operating under a fear of scarcity. That's having a scarcity mindset. This means you think there's not enough money or opportunity going around. That's not the case, especially for something like a credit repair business. There are over 300 million people in the US, and many have a credit score. The American dream is to buy a house and own a nice car. You need good credit for that. So people are highly motivated to have their credit repaired, restored, and to be educated about credit. I'm so confident that there are hundreds of thousands of prospects out there that I teach all of my credit repair business tactics to students in my 30-day CRA coaching program with no fear. I'm literally giving you the blueprint to my business, knowing that there will still be enough clients for me to earn 7 figures a year with just one of my credit companies. I then take it a step further and provide coaching calls to help you on the ideas faster. The point here is this. You may see businesses and people on social media selling your service you want to sell. Don't crumble in the face of competition. There's also a place for what you have to offer. People want to hear your voice, your perspective, and your advice. You have something unique to bring to the table that sets you apart from everyone else. If I could drop a mic, I would, but it's stuck to my desk. So here's an imaginary mic drop. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Oh, by the way, if you want to learn my secrets for starting and growing a credit repair business, even though there's tons of competitors out there, Click the link somewhere around this video. Learn more about the 30-day credit repair agency program, all 12 step-by-step modules, all 7 time-saving and profit-earning bonuses, and much, much more. Talk to you soon. Signing off, Dominique. Competition doesn't stop me, Brown. Peace.